Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for retro and nostalgic products business. Easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, start from here. Here you can describe your site. What's your site about? Describe here something uh, retro and nostalgic products. What are your job goals? Sell products. How would you like to get started? Build a custom templates with Squarespace blueprints. Here you can enter your business name. Type any name for retro and nostalgic business. And here you have to build your home page. Build your home page section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your website looks attractive. Can't do anything to make it better. So that's it. Now let's move on. Add page to your site, and here choose the color palette. Choose any color match with your business, any color you like. And here choose the font. Select any font you want, and let's move on. So here you can choose if you want to continue or skip. You can continue and describe the description, the details about your website. I'm gonna skip from here. So this is your home page. You can edit it from here. The first thing, you can change this, introduce your brand. You can change the text here. For example, you can type welcome to our site for welcome to our site, retro and nostalgic product. You can type anything here to attract people or attract the customers. Now let's move on to the background. So here you can change the format, the grid and the gap, the full screen, the height and the alignment. The background, you can select just a simple art from here, or if you wanna use an image as a background, so click on free image and go here to the library, go to the free image and search on retro and nostalgic products. For example, you can choose anything you like from here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Like this. Also, you can here change the text on this label, and You can manage the page settings, the page title and the navigation title, the URL. Here you can change the site header. You can add your logo, upload your logo from library, or upload it as a file. You can change the title, the site title. You can add the mobile logo image. Also, you can here edit the elements. You can change the text here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Here you can change, you can add item or manage the link section, the link editor settings. You can turn customize the wave intensity and the wave width, the text size, like this. Now let's move on to the next section. First you have to delete this image and add another one. Retro and nostalgic products. For example, I'm gonna choose this. The background, you can select just a simple art like this, and you can change the text if you want, and the paragraph. That's it. Here also just simple art on the background. You can change the social links. Here you can delete this image and add, instead of this image, add a map. So you can you can change your address here, the business name and your address, the city and the states and the country, and the design of the map. So like this. This is the last section. Can edit it from just select just a simple art. So that's it. That's how to customize your homepage for retro and nostalgic products business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.